I'm going to do, I'm going to make my own Lazy Susans. So I've bought 4 of these little tins just from Poundland and a bag of marbles. So all you do is you get 2 of the tins and you stick a handful of marbles in the tin. And then just stick the other tin on the top. Now obviously they're not quite as good as the ones that you buy in the shops because they wiggle around a bit, but I think that will do. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pop those in the cupboard and then sort these out. And there we have it, all in. This is so much better now, and I've made sure all the labels are at the front. So hopefully that's going to make it a bit easier for us now.